I'm Doug McDougall, General Manager of Sisley for Honda. Right here we have a 2017 RDX Tech Pack with a 6-cylinder. This vehicle has only 55,000 kilometers and it's 100% accident free. This one's kind of special because it's got the light gray leather interior. Most of them have black leather. This one has the light gray leather option. I'm just going to pop the hood, and while I pop the hood, we're going to show you what the tires look like. And they look lots of tread left on them. I would say, looking at them, 5 to 6 30 seconds easy of tread life. I'm just going to pop the aluminum hood. This vehicle has a 3.5 V6 engine. When you take a look at the size of this, this is kind of in between a CRV and a Pilot. Lots of power. Everything under the hood is original. We've serviced it. We're going to go around the car and I'm going to show you the condition, and I think you'll agree that this vehicle is immaculate. And we're just going to scan around through the front. This vehicle has LED headlamps. It's got the traditional Acura grille. It's in really nice condition. We're just going to keep scanning down the side here, and then I'm going to open the passenger door, and I'm going to show you what the interior looks like with the light gray interior. And you'll see what I like about the light interior is it makes it look a little bit bigger. It doesn't feel quite as claustrophobic. The only downside to it is cleaning it, but we've detailed it all the way around, so it should last for quite a while before you would have to clean it. Just going to open the back here. You can take a look inside. It's got rear seat heaters. It's also got outlets for heat in the back. I'm just going to close the door. It's got privacy glass around the rear, and we're going to come around. You'll notice it's absolutely gorgeous, the paint and finish, and really not a whole lot to worry about. It's got a power tail lift, and it's got fold down seats. Great big subwoofer is in the back. This one happens to have a tray, a molded tray, which will save your trunk should you put anything like a lawnmower or anything in it. It will save the back. Gorgeous condition vehicle. I'm just going to hit the power trunk or the tailgate, and it will go back down. This vehicle, of course, is all-wheel drive. So it's a little smaller than an MDX, but it's got the power of one. I saw a little mark here, but it isn't. It's a piece of dust again. So just open up the interior. Power driver seat, memory seats, power windows, power locks, automatic, of course. Seat heaters, perforated leather interior, navigation, which is important because this has a tech package. Really can't go wrong with this one. We've been selling a lot of used and new cars. We've been selling used cars about ratio to 1-to-1 right now in new. And part of the reason is we've got great cars here. We've got original one-owner cars like this one. We negotiate a fair price with all our customers. And best of all, we can do it all through email and courier. And when the deal is all said and done, we will flatbed the vehicle right to your driveway with our Sisley Hino truck. And our customers absolutely love it. Thank you for watching the video, and hopefully we'll see you soon.